Have you ever imagined that the sweetest fruit of summer could be your secret weapon against one of the most dangerous and silent health conditions, insulin resistance? It sounds impossible, right? Sweet fruit helping control blood sugar. Well, it's not only possible, it's backed by science. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how mango can help you fight insulin resistance, improve your blood sugar, and protect your long-term health. But first, don't click away, because there's one little known compound in mango that might be the real hero here. Before we get to that, let's quickly understand what insulin resistance actually is. Think of insulin as the key that unlocks your cells so sugar from your blood can go inside and give you energy. But when you have insulin resistance, the locks on those cells get rusty. They stop responding properly. That sugar stays in your bloodstream, your blood sugar rises, and your body starts struggling. Over time, this can silently push you toward prediabetes or even type 2 diabetes. And here's the scary part. Most people have no idea it's happening. If you've been feeling tired all the time, craving sweets, gaining belly fat, or struggling to focus, it might not be just stress, it could be insulin resistance. So where does mango fit into this story? Well, this golden juicy fruit isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Yes, it has natural sugar, but it also contains fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and magnesium. And here's the superstar, mangiferin. This plant compound, found in mango's flesh and skin, has been shown to improve how your cells respond to insulin and reduce inflammation in the body. It's not hype, studies actually back this up. In fact, researchers at Oklahoma State University found that people who ate mango every day for 12 weeks saw improvements in their blood sugar profiles. That's right, eating mango daily helped their insulin sensitivity. Why? Because the polyphenols in mango slowed the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. So instead of a big blood sugar spike like you'd get from soda or cake, mango's sugars enter your blood gradually, giving your body time to handle them. But here's the part most people miss. Insulin resistance isn't just about sugar. It's about chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, damaging your cells. Mangiferin and other antioxidants in mango work like a repair crew, calming inflammation and protecting your cells so insulin can do its job properly. Now, before you rush to eat 5 mangoes a day, hold on, you still need portion control. Half to 1 cup of fresh mango per day is enough to get the benefits without overloading on sugar. And if you want to make it even better for your blood sugar, eat it with healthy fat or protein like a handful of nuts, some Greek yogurt, or chia seeds. This slows down sugar absorption even more and keeps your energy levels stable. But mango's benefits don't stop there. It supports your gut health, and, believe it or not, your gut bacteria play a huge role in controlling blood sugar. It helps with blood pressure thanks to potassium. It boosts immunity with vitamin C and vitamin A. This means you're not just getting blood sugar benefits, you're getting full body protection. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Wait, I thought mango was bad for people with diabetes or prediabetes. This is one of the biggest myths out there. Natural sugars and whole fruits behave completely differently than refined sugars. When you eat a fresh mango, you're getting fiber, water, and antioxidants that slow down sugar release. The real problem: fruit juices, dried fruits, and processed snacks. Those strip away the fiber and turn fruit into sugar bombs. So if you want to add mango to your daily routine, here are a few simple ways. Add fresh mango cubes to a salad with avocado and spinach, blended into a smoothie with spinach. Chia seeds, an unsweetened yogurt. Mix diced mango into overnight oats for a naturally sweet breakfast. Snack on it with a handful of almonds for a blood sugar-friendly treat. But here's the truth. You can't just eat mango and expect miracles. Reversing insulin resistance also means being active, managing stress, sleeping enough, and eating a balanced diet. Mango is a powerful tool, but it's part of a bigger plan. Here's something fascinating. Mango actually has a low to medium glycemic index depending on ripeness. That means it raises your blood sugar more slowly than white bread or candy. Plus, it's high in water and fiber, which helps you feel full and prevents overeating. And mangiferin, scientists are now exploring its potential to fight heart disease, obesity, and even certain cancers. So, mango isn't just a fruit, it's a functional food with healing properties. So here's your takeaway. Eat mango daily in moderation, and you could see real improvements in insulin sensitivity, lower inflammation, and better overall health. It's an affordable, natural, and delicious step you can take right now to protect yourself from one of today's most common health problems. So next time someone tells you mango is too sweet for anyone watching their blood sugar, you'll know the truth. Whole, fresh mango is not the enemy, it's a friend. A friend that works with your body, not against it. Enjoy it, love it, and let this tropical gem be part of your path to better health. Because sometimes, the sweetest medicine really does grow on trees.